In this video, I'm going to show you how to change paper size in Nitro PDF. Now, there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both of them. Now, the first one is to go over here on the left and click on where it says thumbnails, and then from here you can select the page you actually want to resize and click on it, right click and click on set page size, and then you can select either portrait or landscape, and then here you can go ahead and change it. For example, like this, there we go, it's going to change, and of course you can click on whichever one and it's going to change into that size. That's the first way. The second one is via cropping. So we could go to page layout up top, click on crop over here, and then you can basically just select how you want to crop. Let's say that's the size I want here, and you can go to the crop properties up top, click on advanced crop, and you can basically select the crop area in here. You can change it to whatever you want. So for example, as you can see, I can change it like that. I could go ahead and make this a bit bigger or a bit smaller, and then it's going to allow me to resize the page that way. Click on the crop, and it's going to get resized into your desired paper size. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.